Introduce, my name is Sachi Casey Dominic Makakombo from class 1C and will present material about the function of the esophagus. The function of the esophagus is considered important in the design of the human body. The shape of the esophagus itself remembers a type vertebrate in the muscle and has the main function of carrying food from the human mouth to the stomach. The esophagus is about 25 cm long and 2.5 cm in the diameter. The movement of the esophagus while passing food into the stomach is known as peristalsis. Function of the esophagus in the digestive system. 1. Swallow food. When you swallow food, this process triggers peristaltic waves. When peristaltic waves carry food to the esophagus, the ring of curves relaxes reflexively so that food can enter the stomach. 2. Prevent foreign objects from entering the stomach of the esophagus is to prevent foreign objects from entering the stomach. The esophagus becomes one place when food is swallowed. That way, the esophagus has three normal areas of narrowing that cause foreign objects to get stuck in the esophagus. 3. Food distributor from mouth to stomach. The main function of the esophagus is to transport food from the mouth to the stomach. In the human next, here are two types of channels, namely the esophagus and throat. The esophagus functions as a food delivery pipe, while the throat is the respiratory tract as a link between the mouth and the lungs. 4. Project peristalsis. In the esophagus, food is not immediately swallowed but goes through several processes. This process is due to the percent of muscle that produce peristalsis and cause the walls to contract slowly so that food is pushed into the stomach. 5. Prevent gastric contents and fluids. In the stomach, when the digestive process occurs, it will procedure acute. These acute include hydraulic, acute, and enzymes that have the function of helping the digestive process. Hydraulic, acute, and enzyme are commonly called gastric acute. With a constriction in the muscle during in the esophagus, it will prevent stomach fluids from entering the esophagus. So much explanation from me. Thank you.